Mm,
Yes, Soham,
yes, miss.
give me your introduction. Are you understanding me what I'm asking?
Yes.
Then say few words.
My name is Som Sunil Dare. I
Yes,
am in 6th standard. My
little
favorite subject.
loudly, little bit loudly. Just raise your voice.
My name is Som Sunil Dare. I am studying in 6th standard. My favorite subject is maths.
Maths.
My
Okay, you enjoy doing maths?
yes.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is cricket.
Cricket. So are you playing nowadays?
No, miss.
No, na? Yes, you have to
Yes.
take precautions, be at home. Don't go here and there and focus on your studies because now this coronavirus is going on everywhere. So better take some precautions. When this completely India will be free from this virus, you will get too much time for playing and everything. I'm right.
Yes.
Now you just continue what you want to say about yourself. Say.
My name is Som Sunil Dare. My hobby is cricket. My
Ah,
father name is Sunil.
okay. What about your mother?
My mother name is Josna Sunil Dare.
Okay. What is your father's profession?
Profession means
Profession means what he do? Business or some service? What he do? Job?
jewelry shop.
Okay, jeweler shop. Wow, very nice. And what about your mother?
Housewife.
Housewife. Okay. So how many brothers and sisters are you?
No one miss.
No one. You are alone, single in the family.
Yes.
Are you a pampered child? You understood what I asked?
No miss.
No. Pampered means जिसको बहुत प्यार करते, जिसको बहुत लाड करते मम्मी पापा, वैसे हो ना आप?
Yes.
Yes, I understood. So, okay. So, now you see which subject I am going to teach you today?
English.
English. Okay. So, actually, now let's start our first lesson.
Yes.
What is the name of that first lesson? Have you got the e-books?
Yes.
Okay. And actually, according to me, we covered the 2 paragraphs. Yes?
Yes.
So, you understood those 2 paragraphs?
Yes.
Or you are asking me to just start from basic first paragraph? मैं
No
फर्स्ट
miss.
पैराग्राफ से पढ़ाऊं कि थर्ड पैराग्राफ से स्टार्ट करूं?
First paragraph.
फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. व्हाई यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड एट दैट टाइम? जब मैंने लिया था यू डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड?
No miss.
No? Okay. So now you see. Okay, no problem. Again, I will repeat. Are you? But one thing I want to ask. Are you enjoying these e-classes?
Yes.
Yes. And now you see, after this class, I will give you the homework also. Already, I gave you the hard words meanings. I gave, na?
Yes.
So, when
Yes.
you wrote?
Rough book.
No, you don't have the new notebook with you?
No.
No? So, okay, now you see, if you don't have your new notebooks, now you just write it in your rough notebook. But afterwards, when shops open, arrange a English notebook and you have to copy the same thing in the new notebook. Okay?
Yes.
Because when the school reopens, we will try to take your first unit test. So side by you have to just learn the hard words, question answers, exercises, everything.
Yes.
Okay, so now, okay, no problem. I will start the lesson. Just open, I'll tell you, page number 11. Yes, have you opened page number 11? How the pig got eyes on its tail. Have you opened? So,
Yes.
yes. So now you see, here I want to inform how the peacock got eyes on its tail. This is actually a folk tale story. It belongs from Rajasthan. Whatever I am teaching you in English, if you don't understand, you just ask me to repeat. I will repeat it again and again. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So now you see here it is mentioned that this story also belongs from a Rajasthan, a folk tale story. When I just took a video class also, I informed the meaning of folk tale. Folk tale meaning is a very old traditional story, means which we will get from our grandparents. आपके जैसे दादी है, दादी के दादी हैं, वो एक दूसरे को पुरानी कहानियां बताते थे ना.
Yes.
So these such type of stories are called folk stories. Understood?
Yes.
कभी आपने ऐसा सुना है अपने दादी वगैरह से ऐसे स्टोरीज?
No, miss.
ओके, सो पहले ऐसे आपने कभी अभी टीवी पे भी देखा होगा, सो मेनी सच टाइप ऑफ स्टोरीज वी कम टू नो, दे विल जस्ट शो, दे विल जस्ट प्ले, we'll get it, but this is a, have you understood the meaning of a folk tale story?
Yes.
Yes. लोक कथाएं, जो कथा सुनाते रहते हैं हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एक दूसरे को, वो उनको फिर वो हमको, ऐसे जब भी जो आता है, आपके दादी ने आपको बताया होगा, उनकी दादी की ने आपके पापा उन लोगों को बताया होगा, ऐसे ये स्टोरीज चलते आती है. ओके, सो सच टाइप ऑफ स्टोरीज आर कॉल्ड folk tale stories. Now we will just read the first paragraph. Okay, once upon a time, all the animals in the jungle gathered to choose their leader. There were towering ministers like the tall camel, the jackal, the deer, the snake, the bear, and the monkey. They felt that they needed a leader who would keep everyone united. So I just read this first paragraph. Now let me explain. आपने पढ़ा मेरे साथ साथ?
No, miss.
नहीं, मैं जब पढ़ती हूँ तो आप भी अपने वहां पे मोबाइल पे देख लेने का और वो पैराग्राफ रीड करना. ओके?
Yes.
Yes. So in this first paragraph, actually, this is the story of animals. Okay. Once upon a time, all the animals in the jungle, where the wild animals live,
Outdoor.
where the wild animals live.
In jungle.
Jungle, there are two type of animals. Okay, wild animals and domestic animals.
Domestic.
Domestic animals means जो हम लोग रोड पे देखते हैं एंड जो हम लोग घर पे उनको पालते हैं, लाइक पेट डॉग है. यस,
Yes.
these animals are called pet animals, but the dangerous animals like lion, tiger, giraffe, jackal, elephant, snake, can we, are they animals are in domestic animals?
What, miss?
These camel, sorry, lion, tiger, elephant, are they domestic animals?
No.
No, they are wild animals. Why they all live in jungle? Because they are very danger for human being. Yes, na?
Yes.
Yes, so this is the reason. But once upon a time, what happened, you know, all the animals gathered together in the jungle and they actually want to select their leader. उनको एक leader चाहिए था क्योंकि now you see when we live in a society, so there also we need someone to rule the society. Now you see,
Yes.
rule a country, we are having MPs, MLAs, CM, then deputy CM, then prime minister, president. I see level wise we are having the ministers to rule our country.
Yes.
We even choose the leaders.
Yes.
Yes, so like this way, even animals decided to select their leader among them only. So there were towering ministers. Here the meaning of towering ministers means tall animals. In tall animals, which animals will come, you know? Tall animals कौन से हैं? Like giraffe, jackal, camel. ये सारे tall animals हैं. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So towering meaning you understood?
Yes.
Yes, the animals which are very tall. So like the tall camel, the jackal, the deer, the snake, the bear and the monkey. They felt that they needed a leader. They felt that they required a leader to rule the kingdom of a jungle. जंगल में भी एक हमको लीडर चाहिए जो हमारे सब एनिमल्स को प्रॉपरली गाइड करे और जो एनिमल्स को डिफिकल्टीज है तो उनको भी बचाएंगे. वी रिक्वायर्ड इन एवरी कम्युनिटी द लीडर.
Yes.
Yes. And why we needed such type of leaders? To follow the rules and regulations, because leader will give, okay, will actually listen to all the animals. लीडर क्या करता है? सबके प्रॉब्लम सुनेगा and afterwards he will take a decision and that everyone has to follow. In your home also, now you see, if you ask anything from your parents, so what your parents say? Okay, give us some time, we will think about it and we will then, if it is okay, we will provide you that thing. Yes na?
Yes.
So like this way in jungle also, they actually wants to have one leader who just takes a right decision and who just make all the animals to live together. Here the united meaning is join together. सबको जो join करके रख के साथ में चलने के लिए rules and regulations देंगे. Now sometimes what happens ना, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि कभी कोई ज्यादा ही स्ट्रांग है लाइक लायन, वो आएगा, वो किसी के ऊपर भी अटैक करेगा. यस ना, इट हैपेंस ना समटाइम्स. सो दूसरे एनिमल से जाके कंप्लेंट
Yes.
अपने लीडर को, they'll say yes, now you unnecessarily the lion is actually hurting us. Like this way it happens na. So for such type of reasons, to keep all the animals live together, for these reasons, even animals wants to choose their leader. You understood this first paragraph?
Yes.
Do you have any problem?
No.
No. Okay. So can I continue with the second paragraph?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, in came the elephant, trumpeting loudly, and greeted the inmates of the forest with a shower of water. You be our leader, they said to the elephants. Okay. Now you see, in came the elephant trumpeting. How the elephant now entry in that meeting where the camel, the jackal, deer, all these animals were sitting. उनके बीच में एक elephant आता है, okay, and with a trumpeting sound,
Yes.
trumpeting loudly. Have you just see the musical instrument. हाँ, ट्रम्पेट पता है? ट्रम्पेट,
Yes.
yes, एक तुरही रहती है. In Hindi we call that a trumpet as turhi. So the music, it is a musical instrument. So in music it is must. So here with a trumpet, here the trumpet is used like a loudly sound of an elephant. Okay, elephant का sound
Yes.
trumpet से. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. So he just was entering and greeted the inmate forest with a shower of water. When this elephant was taking a entry in the meeting in the jungle, so rest of the animals, what they did, they shower the water. उन्होंने पानी बहाना शुरू कर दिया और उनका greeted means they welcome. Greet what? They welcome the elephant to join the meeting. Okay?
Yes.
उन्होंने एलिफेंट का वेलकम किया, स्वागत किया कि आप भी आओ और मीटिंग ज्वाइन करो. लाइक दिस वे, हाउ दे जस्ट ग्रीटेड द एलिफेंट बाय शॉवरिंग ऑफ वाटर, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव फ्लावर्स एंड सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. हम कभी किसी का वेलकम करते हैं तो फ्लावर्स वगैरह ऐसे डालते हैं ना.
Yes.
They are the animals, and in jungle they don't find the flowers also, so they welcome the elephant with a shower of water. Yes, and they greeted, but oh no, he said, I'm a vegetarian. Now who is telling this thing? Elephant. Elephant says, oh no, I'm a vegetarian because I don't like non-veg things like meat, fish, egg. I'm a vegetarian. I eat only grass, some fruits. So I don't want to be a leader of this jungle. Okay? You
Yes.
to have someone who can fight foes. He is telling you should actually try. Here the meaning of ought. Look at the word ought. O-U-T. The ought meaning is you should try for some other animal to be a leader. I don't want to become a leader because I am a vegetarian. I only eat grass. So I don't want to be a leader of this jungle. And here the meaning is foes. Foes is here enemies. मैं किसी से दुश्मनी नहीं लेना चाहता. I don't want to make some enemies. Let me enjoy in this jungle. I'm very much friends each and every animal. I don't want to become an enemy. मैं किसी से भी दुश्मनी नहीं लेना चाहता, मैं किसी का भी दुश्मन नहीं बना चाहता. Here foes meaning is F-O-E-S. Foes meaning is enemy, and ought meaning is you should make a leader to anyone else instead of me. I don't want to become a leader of this jungle. Are you understanding this lesson?
Yes.
Yes. Just then the lion roared and all the animals shivered with excitement. But when they embraced him, his stinky breath made them move away. Now, when the elephant finished his sentences with a roaring voice, lion roars. Lion and tiger roars. उनके साउंड को क्या बोलते हैं? Roaring. Okay?
Roar.
Roar. So now here the lion is taking the entry. And when lion started taking a entry in that meeting, all the animals shivered. Shivered means डरना शुरू कर दिया उन्होंने. Okay, so shivered meaning is that they started shaking, they frightened. Lion से सब डरते हैं ना. So even all the animals frightened, वो डरने लग गए, शिवरिंग हो गया. जैसे हमको हाई फीवर हो जाता है तो हमारी बॉडी शिवरिंग करती है ना, कपकपाती है ना.
Yes.
Yes, so
Yes.
here the shivered meaning is frightened, shivered. Okay, कांपना. So when the lion took the entry, so the rest of the animals started shivering and with the excitement. What happens? अभी उनसे दुश्मनी तो नहीं ले सकते. So all the animals thought it is better to means to just embraced him. Here the meaning of embraced him means embraced का मतलब है उसको हक करना, उसको गले लगाना. अब all the animals know that lion is very dangerous because he eats anyone. So we should all go together and hug him. Hug him means उनको गले लगाना. Embraced. What is the meaning of embraced? करना, गले लगाना. You understood the meaning of embraced?
Yes.
All the animals embraced the lion. So stinking means उसकी body से something bad smell आ रहा था. From whose body? Lion's body. जैसे सब animals उसको गले लगाए, हक किए. So too stinky smell. Stinky means very bad smell was coming out of his body. His stinky breath made him move up. All the animals got that his body is completely stinking. So they all moved away. सब जन उससे दूर हो गए. किससे? Lion से, जो उसको गले लगाने गए थे. Okay? Scurried away.
Yes.
They scurried away and were worried, for they could not find someone suitable to be their king. They scurried away. What is the meaning of scurried? They run from there with a short steps. कैसे? Short step से वो बहुत जल्दी से दूर भागने लग गए. And they decided that we are not going to make a lion our king, our leader of this jungle. They decided, all the animals, they were thinking, when they scurried away and were worried, वो बहुत सोचने लगे. They were worried, they were in a tension. Now we are unable to find our proper leader. So who is going to become a king of this jungle? Because of this reason, they all were worried. Who were worried here? Yes, Soham, I am asking you. Who were worried here? Who were worried here? कौन worry था? Are you getting my voice? Soham? Are you getting my voice? Why you are? Don't mute. Are you getting my voice? Soham? Hello? Soham?
Yes.
Yes. So now you see, all the animals were worried. क्यों worry हो गए थे वो लोग? क्यों परेशान हो गए थे? Because they were not finding their proper leader. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. This is the reason. Okay. So you understood the meaning of scurried?
Yes.
Yes. Now can we move to paragraph number 3?
Yes.
Yes, it was then that the peacock strutted from behind the banyan tree. He looked gorgeous, his purple feathers, the tail, a shimmering green with no markings. He did as he fanned out his long tail in a wide arch. Now you see, when they were worried, all the animals, so it was then that the peacock strutted. Then the peacock actually took a walk with a proud way. प्राउड वे से पिकॉक ने उस मीटिंग में एंट्री किया. ओके, विथ अ प्राउड वे. पिकॉक लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. रियल लाइफ सी द पिकॉक. रियल लाइफ में आपने पिकॉक देखा है?
No.
No? Okay, whenever you will get a chance, na, you just move to Jodhpur or Jaipur, you will see the peacocks really. Okay. It looks very beautiful because it is having a very nice purple color, colorful feathers on his body. So he was just telling that peacock was entered. Okay, peacock got entered in it and he just took a entry with a proud way. ऐसे इज्जत से प्राउड, बहुत प्राउड फील कर रहा था उस मीटिंग में एंट्री लेने के लिए पिकॉक ने. बिहाइंड द banyan tree. Have you seen the banyan tree?
Yes.
Yes, banyan tree हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? बरगद का पेड़, है ना?
Yes.
Yes. So from behind the banyan tree, the peacock took entry in that meeting, and it was looking. That peacock was looking very gorgeous. Gorgeous means beautiful. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. With his purple feathers, his tail. उसका tail जो था ना, उसका tail. उसका टेल जो था वो ग्रीन कलर का था. शिमरिंग ग्रीन. शिमरिंग मीन्स शाइनिंग कलर. उसका ग्लिटर था उसकी टेल जो शाइन करता है. ग्रीन विथ नो मार्किंग्स. कोई भी मार्किंग्स नहीं थे उसके ऊपर, उसके टेल के ऊपर में. He did look like a king. So all the animals were just watching him and they were decided that yes, now we are leader. Now we are leader, and he can become like a king of this jungle. He fanned out. Fanned out means he just opened his feathers. Fanned का मतलब होता है हवा देना. Okay, he started giving air with his long tail in a wide arch. In a wide arch means when the peacock open its feathers, so वो पूरा हाफ सर्कल में कन्वर्ट होता है और वो हाफ सर्कल में ओपन और पूरे अपने फेदर से, हाफ सर्कल फेदर से सबको हवा देने लगा. Instantly the jackal questioned. Instantly मतलब ऐसा तुरंत jackal उससे क्वेश्चन पूछा. Jackal started asking a question with the peacock. Will you be our leader? So here jackal was asking to a peacock, are you going to become a leader of our jungle? So the peacock squawked. What is the meaning of squawked here? I gave you. Squawked means loud, unpleasant noise. Loud, unpleasant noise. यानी unpleasant means जो हमारे कान सुनना पसंद नहीं करते. With a rough sound बोलते ना, वैसा साउंड से उसने आंसर दिया. किसने? पीकॉक ने. ओके. Yes, but what I am expected to do here the peacock is telling that, but I am expected to do. Okay, no problem. I will become a leader. Oh, nothing, the crow said. You only need to agree with the ministers very well, said the peacock. Here crow is also giving the answers. Okay, you need to agree, means whatever you just discuss your points with the ministers. Here in the jungle also ministers are there. Upon those ministers, leader is going to rule. When you just get together, if ministers will give you some points, those all has to follow. Rest of the animals, you have to do this thing. So peacock said, okay, very well, I will do it. You understood this paragraph?
Yes.
Yes. So are you finding interest to listen the story? Soham? 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 Soham, have you understood this paragraph?
Yes.
Yes. So here, now the peacock actually shown the interest to become a leader. 3. Now you just read this lesson carefully. Hard words have you wrote in your notebook? Soham? Soham, have you wrote the hard words meanings in your notebook? Have you wrote hard words meanings in your notebook? Soham, are you getting my voice?
आवाज नहीं लागला.
सोहम, आर यू गेटिंग माई वॉइस? आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
यस, देन रिप्लाई ना. आपने हार्ड वर्ड्स के मीनिंग्स नोटबुक में लिखा है?
Yes.
So now today you have to learn, okay?
Yes.
Tomorrow means when I am having the next class, na, before starting next class, I just ask you the hard words meanings, okay? Online I will ask. And in our next class, we will continue our lesson, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so stay home, stay safe till that time. Thank you and bye.
Bye, miss.